So now today I am going to begin the graphs of linear equation. It's clear. So first you know what is the linear equation. Here I am writing some linear equations. Linear equations will be of this form: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here a, b, c are the numbers. These are the constants. Means क्या होंगे? Numbers होंगे. These are the constants. In mathematical language we say constant. It's clear? There will be some number 2, 3, 5, minus 5, anything. And x and y are the variables. Here this is a linear equation in two variables. It is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation can also be in one variable also. It can be in the three variables also. For example, if I write here 2x plus 5y equals to 7. This is a linear equation. And why do we call it as linear? Because here power of x and power of y is 1. But if the power of x and y is other than 1, then it will not be linear. Then it will not be linear. For example, if you write this 2x square plus 5y equals to 7, it is not a linear equation, but this is a linear equation. It's clear? If you write 5x equals to 7, yes, this is a linear equation in one variable. This is a linear equation in two variable. It's clear? Then if you write here 3y minus 2 equals to 0, it is also a linear equation. It's clear? Today we will see the graph of linear equation. How will you plot the graph of a linear equation? It's clear? So see here, we will start from the linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. You can see here. And how will you plot the graph? So that also. Suppose here I have taken one linear equation 2x minus y plus 3 equals to minus 3 equals to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. We have to plot its graph. So first we will write it in this form. Y ka term in one side, remaining terms in the other side. How will you write? You will write in such a way that in one side there is a term of y and in the other side there are all other terms. So you bring the term of y in that side. 2x minus 3 equals to y, or you write down y equals to 2x minus 3. It's clear? Here x is a independent variable. Independent variable. X is a independent variable. What is y? Y is a dependent variable. Dependent variable. Now what is the meaning of this? So about variable I have already told. Variable means whose value can vary, able to vary. Variable means able to vary. What is the meaning behind the independent and dependent variable? Independent variable means the value of x depends upon your choice. Value of x depends upon your choice. You can take any value of x, but the value of y depends upon x. Therefore y is dependent. y की वैल्यू x पर डिपेंड कर रही है, पर x की वैल्यू तुम अपने आप कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो. If you take x equals to 1, what will be the value of y? 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3, that is equals to minus 1. It is clear? If you take x equals to 0, what will be the value of y? 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 3, minus 3. It is clear? So here, why do we call it as independent? Why do we call it as dependent? Because its value depends upon our choice. Its value depends upon the x. It's clear? Now see here, the graph of every linear equation will be a straight line. Graph of, you write down, all these points you write down. Graph of every linear equation will be a straight line. Will be straight line. It's clear? How will you plot the graph? What is the way of plotting the graph of linear equation? For example, I will plot here. It's clear? I will plot the graph of this equation, y equals to 2x minus 3. So first of all, we will determine three coordinates. Three coordinates. Coordinates means pair of values of x and y which satisfies to this. Now see here, you determine for different value, for three values of x, you determine the value of y. But here one thing we will keep in mind, take such a value of x which is either in whole number or it is in 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. It may be positive, it may be negative. You can take 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1.5, minus 2.5. And second, you will take such a value of x which is in either whole number or in 0.5, provided the value of y is also in either whole number or 1.5. Suppose you have taken x equals to 1 and y comes out 5 upon 3. We will not take that value, because then it will be difficult to plot. 5 upon 3 non-terminating. 5 upon 3 we will is non-terminating. मतलब हमको x की ऐसी वैल्यूज लेनी है जिसके लिए y क्या हो, होल नंबर में हो या क्या हो, डेसिमल में आए तो 0.5 में आए. ये चीज समझ में आई? सेकेंडली, द वैल्यू ऑफ y शुड नॉट बी वेरी लार्ज. इतनी अधिक बड़ी वैल्यू ना हो जाए, x इक्वल्स टू 11, y इक्वल्स टू 22, इट लाइज आउटसाइड द ग्राफ. इट्स क्लियर? सो वैल्यू बहुत बिगर ना होनी चाहिए. We will keep these two things in the mind. So here this is a very simple equation, x equals to 1. You show here what is the value of y. Y equals to 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. Now you take x equals to 2. Y equals to 2 2 ja 4 minus 3, that is equals to 4 minus 3, it is 1. And then you can take x equals to 3. So y equals to 2 into 3 minus 3, 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Now you make a table. How will you make the table? You will write here x, here y, and here x comma y. X is 1, 2, 3. I have taken 1, 2, 3. Y comes out minus 1, then 1 and then 3. What will be the coordinate here? 1 comma 2 comma and 3 comma 3. Now we will plot it on the graph paper. How will you plot? You can see here. On the graph paper you draw two lines, perpendicular lines, that you must be knowing. So you will draw like this. This is horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here -1 -2 1 2 this. Now you plot the point 1 comma -1. Where will be this point? 1 comma -1. x में 1 के सामने, y में -1 के सामने, means it will be here. It will be here. You can plot on the graph paper very exactly. 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, it will be somewhere here. It's clear? Then 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3 will be here. It will be this. Now if you join this point, these points, you will get this. Now after joining all the 3 points, you circle these points, circle to these points, and circle to these points. Now one thing you will remember, suppose the graph do not come straight line on joining all the 3 points, it is not a straight line, then it means there is some error. It's clear? There will be some error in the calculation. Either you have wrongly plotted the point or you have wrongly calculated it. It's clear? So you will keep this thing in mind. All the 3 points should be on the same straight line. So you can make it. Suppose you have to find the value of y when x equals to 4. Value of y when x equals to 4. So how will you find this? So value of y when x equals to 4. From the graph, it has been asked that from the graph you find the value of y when x is equal to 4. मीन्स क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है ग्राफ से हम y की वैल्यू फाइंड करें when x is equal to 4. So see here, where is x equals to 4? This point is x equals to 4. Now you produce it till it meets the graph. You produce it till it meets to the graph. It's clear? So you have got this point on the graph. Then you join, you see that it is in front of which value on y-axis. It is in front of which value on y-axis. हमको ये फाइंड करना है कि x जब 4 है तो y की क्या वैल्यू है. So from x equals to 4, you draw a line which meets to the graph. It's clear? You will draw the vertical line. It meets to the graph at this point. You see its position on the y-axis. मतलब ये point y-axis में किसके सामने है? 5 के सामने है. So see here, from graph when x equals to 4, y equals to 5. इट्स क्लियर एंड यू मस्ट शो द एरोज, एरोज को जरूर शो करना है. इट्स क्लियर एंड इफ यू चेक इट, because equation was this perhaps, y equals to 2x minus 3. If you check it from this equation, you will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. Now see here, there is one more thing. When x equals to minus 1, or you take when y equals to 4, what is the value of x? When y is 4, what is the value of x? That you have to determine. Where is 4? 4 is this point. It's clear, y equals to 4 is this. Now you draw the line in the same way, and then not 2.5, 3.5, this, it will come here, here. This will be nearly 3.5. X equals to 3.5. It is clear? From graph it comes out 3.5. You vary 5 from here. So yes, it comes out 3.5. Y equals to 4. You draw the line, locate the point on the graph and see in front of which x value it is. ये x की किस वैल्यू के सामने है, तो x की इस वैल्यू के सामने. ये क्या है, 3 and 4 के बीचों बीच में है, सो 3.5. इट इज क्लियर? सो दिस वे यू कैन डू दिस. इट इज क्लियर? नाउ यू सी सम मोर क्वेश्चन इन योर बुक. It will be better you use one graph sheet for one question, or you on the same graph paper you draw separately. In half part you do one question, in the other half part other question, like that you do. It's clear? So see here, question number 1, all the questions are of same type. Draw the graph of the following linear equations. Then draw the graph of question number 2 also. I am doing question number 3. Draw the graph of 5x plus 6y minus 30 equals to 0. It is 5x plus 6y minus 30 equals to 0, and use it to find the area of. So first you draw the graph. So see here, how will you draw the graph? So you make the formula of y. What will be 6y? 6y will be equal to minus 5x plus 30. Then you divide by minus 5x plus 30 divided by 6. One thing you will keep in mind, you will take such values of x for which y is not very large, for which y is either in whole number or it is in 0.5. It is clear? So see here, you can take x equals to 0. When you will take x equals to 0, what will be y? You can find from here, this term will become 0. 30 upon 6 means 5. 30 upon 6 is 5, means the point will be 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. Then you take x equals to 6, you take x equals to 6. When you will take x equals to 6, what will be? Y equals to 6 5 ja 30. So it will become minus 30. Minus 30 plus 30, 0. 0 upon 6 means 0. Means the point will be 6 comma 0. It will be 6 comma 0. Then you take one more value, any value you can take. You take x equals to 3. X equals to 3. When you will take x equals to 3, 3 5 ja 15. Minus 15 plus 30, that is 15. So y equals to 15 upon 6. So it comes out 2.5. 2.5. What will be the coordinate? 3 comma 2.5. It is clear? Now you draw the axis. On the graph paper you draw the axis. This way. Now you plot the point 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5 will be this point. It will be on y axis. It is clear. Then 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0 will be this point. Then 3 comma 2.5, 3 comma 2.5 means x में 3 के सामने और y में 2.5 के सामने. It will be somewhere here, this point. So these are the 3 points. One point is this, other is this, and third is this. So you join these points and encircle the points. Points को encircle कर दे. जिन points को plot किया है, that must be encircled. It is clear? This thing is clear? Now see here, you have to find the area of the triangle formed by the line and coordinate axes. Area of triangle formed by the line and coordinate axes. Coordinate axes are this. This is one coordinate axis, this is the other coordinate axis, and this is the line. Which triangle is formed here? You can name this triangle OAB. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle, what is formula? 1 upon 2 base into height. What is base here? It is OA. What is height here? OB. So it will be 1 upon 2 OA into OB. What is OA here? 6. What is OB? 5 unit. So it will be 1 upon 2, 6 into 5, 30 upon 2, that is 15 square unit. 15 square unit. This way you can do. Now you can see question number 4. Here this I am not going to do, you just see here. Here in the question it is given, take take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both axes. What is its meaning? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? अभी हम क्या है ग्राफ में क्या कर रहे हैं, 1 सेंटीमीटर के बाद 1 लिख रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू when it is given 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit, after a gap of 2 centimeter you will write 1, then next 2 centimeter 2, then next 2 centimeter 3, like that. You will keep the gap of 2 centimeter. It is clear? Here it is 0, then here it will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 3, this way. Similarly here, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This thing is clear, only this is different here. So this also you can do. Question number 7 you can see. Use the table given alongside to draw the graph of the straight line. Find graphically the values of A and B. So what will you do? First you plot the graph by using 2 points. 2 points are given. You can see in your book question number 7. 1 comma minus 2 is given. 1 comma minus 2 is given, and other point is 3 comma 4. With the help of these 2 points, you can draw the line. It's clear? And then you can determine when x is 2, then what is y. Y की value find out कर लेंगे, that will become b. And then when y is minus 5, so what is x? So you will get the value of a. So this way you can do. It's clear? So